Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show the error problem when you are going to upload a theme on WordPress. So for that we just need to check. I was facing this problem, that's why I'm going to make this tutorial. So let's see. I just need to add a new theme for my WordPress. So I clicked on add new, then upload a theme, choose a file. There is my main theme that I want to upload. Open, then install now. So let's see, uh, is this problem showing again? Oh yeah, right. So here you are saying, you can see the theme is missing the style.css style sheet. So what could be the possible solution for that? So basically in today's video we will show how you can solve this problem. So to solve this problem, you just need to go on your theme file location. So here, this is my theme file location. One thing, I just need to delete those files. Okay, delete. You shouldn't do this job because this is the main theme that I was trying to upload, and that's showing the error. So you to solve for this problem, you just need to unzip this file, that means extract here. So you can see there is two new file here, one activation.k and one is that is one, and another is that. So to solve this problem, we just need to upload this file as theme on WordPress. So we will go again to my appearance themes, then add a new theme, upload a theme, choose file. So I was telling you need to upload this file as a theme. Okay, select it. Remember, not the actual theme that we were facing error. We need to upload the unzip file. So this file, we got this file from when we are unzipping the main theme. So I just need to upload that file. Okay, open, and then we just need to click on install now. As you can see, this is activate, the theme installed successfully. And if you click on activate, this is just loading. Wait and see. That will active, no problem on this. So basically today's video, there was the today's video. That's all for today. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button.